Hello adventurers, welcome to a journey like no other. Libya, a land of surprising contrasts, beckons. This North African country is a treasure trove of natural wonders and historical marvels. From the sun-drenched Sahara to the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, Libya offers incredible sights that will leave you in awe. Imagine vast stretches of golden sand dunes meeting the azure waters of the sea. Join me as we uncover hidden oases, explore ancient ruins, and delve into the rich tapestry of Libyan history. These oases are like emerald jewels in the midst of the desert, offering a refreshing respite from the arid surroundings. Experience the beauty of this North African gem, where every corner holds a story waiting to be told. From the bustling markets filled with vibrant colors and aromas to the serene landscapes that seem to stretch on forever, Libya is a land of endless discovery. Get ready for an unforgettable visual journey. We'll soar above the dramatic landscapes, capturing the essence of Libya's natural beauty. The cinematic aerial shots will give you a bird's-eye view of the stunning vistas that define this incredible country. But it's not just the landscapes that will captivate you. Libya's rich cultural heritage is equally mesmerizing. We'll immerse ourselves in the local culture, experiencing traditional music, dance, and cuisine. The flavors of Libyan dishes, with their unique blend of spices and ingredients, will tantalize your taste buds. We'll also witness the vibrant festivals and local traditions that bring the Libyan community together. From intricate crafts to age-old customs, the cultural tapestry of Libya is as diverse as its landscapes. And let's not forget the wildlife. Libya is home to a variety of flora and fauna, both in the desert and along the coast. We'll encounter unique species that have adapted to the harsh desert environment, as well as the rich marine life that thrives in the Mediterranean waters. Throughout our journey, we'll meet the warm and welcoming people of Libya. Their hospitality is legendary, and their stories will give us a deeper understanding of this fascinating country. Whether we're sharing a meal with a local family or learning about ancient traditions, the human connections we make will be the highlight of our adventure. As the sun sets over the Libyan desert, we'll be treated to breathtaking views of the night sky. The stars here shine brighter than anywhere else, offering a perfect end to our days of exploration. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on this incredible journey through Libya. From its stunning landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, this North African gem promises an adventure you'll never forget. Let's discover Libya together. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, dominates much of Libya. Imagine endless dunes, sculpted by the wind into ever-changing shapes. The Sahara's silence is profound, a stark contrast to the bustling human world. The colors of the Sahara are breathtaking, especially at sunrise and sunset. Golden dunes glow, their edges outlined in sharp relief against the sky. The night sky, ablaze with stars, is a sight few forget. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara supports life. Hardy plants like date palms and acacia trees provide shade and sustenance. Animals like fennec foxes and desert jerboas have adapted to thrive in this extreme environment. Section 5. The Green Heart of Libya. Nestled in the northeastern part of the country, Jebel Akhdar, which translates to Green Mountain, is a breathtaking oasis of greenery amidst the vast, arid expanse of the Libyan desert. This region is a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. Jebel Akhdar, meaning Green Mountain, offers a stark contrast to the desert. The sight of its lush, verdant slopes is a refreshing change from the endless stretches of sand and rock that dominate much of Libya's landscape. The Green Mountain stands as a beacon of life and vitality in an otherwise harsh environment. This mountainous region in northeastern Libya is surprisingly lush and fertile. The valleys of Jebel Akhdar are carpeted with greenery, a rare and precious sight in this part of the world. The fertility of the land here is due to the unique climatic conditions that allow for a diverse range of flora to thrive. Here, you'll find forests of juniper and cypress trees, their dense canopies providing shelter and sustenance to a variety of wildlife. These forests are a vital part of the ecosystem, supporting not only plant life but also numerous species of birds and animals. The juniper and cypress trees, with their rich green foliage, create a serene and tranquil environment, a stark contrast to the harsh desert surroundings, a welcome change from the desert's arid landscape. The lush scenery of Jebel Akhdar is a testament to the region's unique microclimate, which allows for such vibrant growth. The contrast between the green mountains and the surrounding desert is striking, highlighting the diversity of Libya's natural landscapes. This area is not only a haven for nature lovers, but also a crucial agricultural hub, providing a source of fresh produce for the local communities. The green heart of Libya is a reminder of the incredible beauty and resilience of nature, even in the most unexpected places. Section 6. Ancient Echoes. Libya is also home to remarkable ancient ruins, whispering tales of past civilizations. Leptis Magna, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one such treasure. This once thriving Roman port city boasts impressive architecture, frozen in time. Section 7. City of Stone. Walking through Leptis Magna is like stepping back into the Roman Empire. As you wander through the ancient streets, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The bustling markets, the chariots clattering on the stone roads, and the voices of Roman citizens going about their daily lives. The city, once a thriving hub of commerce and culture, now stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. The grandeur of the amphitheater, the intricate mosaics, and the detailed craftsmanship of every structure tell a story of a civilization that valued art, architecture, and public life. The amphitheater, with its massive stone seats and grand stage, once hosted gladiatorial games and theatrical performances, drawing crowds from all over the region. The mosaics, with their vibrant colors and intricate designs, depict scenes of mythology, daily life, and nature, showcasing the artistic prowess of Roman artisans. The towering columns are awe-inspiring, standing tall against the sky. They are a reminder of the architectural genius of the Romans. These columns, part of grand temples and public buildings, were not just structural elements but also symbols of power and grandeur. Each column, meticulously carved and erected, speaks of the engineering skills and the aesthetic sensibilities of the ancient builders. The city's ruins stand as a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the past. Leptis Magna, with its sprawling ruins, offers a glimpse into the life of a once great city. The dramatic lighting at different times of the day casts shadows and highlights on the ancient stones, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. As the sun sets, the ruins take on a golden hue, adding to the mystique and allure of this ancient city. Exploring Leptis Magna is not just a journey through history, but also an experience of the timeless beauty and resilience of human creativity. Section 8. A timeless coast. Beyond the desert and the ruins, Libya boasts a stunning Mediterranean coastline. Azure waters lap at sandy beaches, inviting relaxation and exploration. The Libyan coast offers a tranquil escape from the country's more rugged landscapes. Section 9. Journey's End. Our visual journey through Libya's stunning scenery ends here, for now, but there's so much more to discover. What other hidden gems should we explore? Share your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.